So the Torii Unwind is an all-natural herbal sleep aid that relaxes the body and mind before sleep without making you feel drowsy the next day. It uses 5,000 milligrams of tart cherry juice, which helps the pineal gland in the brain naturally secrete melatonin, which is one of the key sleep hormones that the brain secretes. Griffonia Seed contains a natural amino acid called 5-HTP. 5-HTP serves as a precursor to serotonin in the body, a neurotransmitter that serves two vital purposes: balancing the mind and regulating food cravings. It is generally thought as the happy neurotransmitter, encouraging a feeling of well-being, reducing stress and calming the body and mind. The Torii Unwind also uses a combination of mild sedatives like chamomile, skullcap, and hops. Skullcap is a flowering perennial plant from the mint family. This herb helps balance hormones in the body by stimulating the release of endorphins. It also reduces the effects of anxiety as it helps soothe the nervous system. Take the Torii Unwind at least 30 minutes before you want to sleep. You'll feel your body and mind relax, which will help you drift into a deep sleep.